Hello dear students, how are you today? I hope you're all fine. As usual, you will arrange the numbers to know our word for today. You have 5 seconds to think and find the word. Time's up! Yes, subtraction is our word for today. So our lesson today is talking about subtraction. So I will tell you a small story to know the meaning of subtraction. If I had 45 pounds, as you see here in the figure, and I want to buy this bus for 21 pounds, how much money left with me? At the first I have 45 pounds, then I take away 21 pounds to buy this vase, so this is a subtraction operation. In subtraction, you have to start from ones, so I will subtract 21 from 45. Of course, I will start from ones with ones, tens with tens, so I will subtract 1 from 5. This is the first step. Subtract 1 from 5, the result is 4, and of course 4 is the units digits. Second step, subtract tens with tens, so I subtract 2 from 4. This is the second step. Subtract 2 from 4 and the result is 2. So the tens digit of course is 2. So 45 minus 21 equals 24. So the remainder with me is 24 pounds. Let's take a practice about this board. Find the result of each of the following. Question A. 872 minus 220. Should we start from ones or from hundreds? Yes, of course I will start from ones. 2 minus 0. 0 is nothing. When I subtract 2 from nothing, of course the result is 2. Tens with tens. 2. I will subtract 2 from 7. When I subtract 2 from 7, the result is... Let's count with me. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, now I have 5 on my fingers. So the result is 5. Last digit, hundreds with hundreds. So I will subtract 2 from 8 and of course the result is 6. So the remainder is 652. Now students, it's your turn. Please think and answer question B. You have 10 seconds to think and answer. Time's up. I think all of you get the correct answer. Let's check your answer. Of course we will start from ones. 5 minus 3. 2. 4 minus 0. 4. And the last digit 7 minus 5. Of course you get 2. So 745 minus 503, the result to be 242. Here we have to know some notes. 10 ones equal 10. So, of course 10 ones equal 110. But if I have 10 tens, it means that I have, yes, of course, 100. 10 tens equal 100. If I want to subtract 17 from 45, How can I subtract 17 from 45? First step, as you see here, 45 minus 17. Here's a ones digit, here's a tens digit. How many ones in the first number? 5 ones. 5 blocks of ones. How many tens in the first number? 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens and 5 ones. Should we start from ones or from tens? Yes, well done, from ones. So I will take away 7 ones from 5 ones. Can I take 7 ones from 5 ones? Of course no, I can't. So what should I do now? To know what you should do, listen to step number 2. Here I have 4 tens, but in step number 2, here I have 3 tens, because the 4 tens I regroup it to 10 ones. So I regroup 1 tens to 10 ones. Here I have the 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. And here I have 1 tens. Here I have 1 10, which I converted to 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, because I have 4 tens. Now, can I take 7 ones from 15 ones? Of course, yes, I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I take away 7, third step, here I take away 7, and the remainder in the ones digit is 8. The remainder in the ones digit is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. So 5 becomes 15 ones. 5 ones, we make it equals to 15 ones. How can we make this? By take away 1 10 from the 4 tens. We take 1 10, we borrow 1 10. We borrow 1 10 from the 4 tens. So 5 ones becomes 15 ones. And then when I subtract 7 ones from 15 ones, the result is 8 ones. But can you notice how many tens did I have now? 1, 2, 3. So we will replace this 4 tens by 3 tens, and this is the fourth step. Here I have 3 tens instead of 4 tens because we already borrow the ones 1 10. When I subtract 3 tens from 1 tens, I get 2 tens as you see here. So now I have 2 tens and 8 ones. So the remainder is 28. Let's make practice on this part. Find the result of each of the following. Question A. 782 minus 365. Should we start from ones or from hundreds? Yes, of course, well done. We will start from ones. So 2 minus 5, it means that I will take 5 from 2. Can I subtract 5 from 2? Of course not, because 2 is less than 5. So 2 will what? Will borrow from 8. Of course, yes, will borrow from 8. So 8 will become 7, and 2 ones. So when it take 10 ones, becomes 12 ones. And 8 will become 7. 12 minus 5. After 5 in your fingers until you reach 12. After 5, count with me please. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now you have in your fingers 7. This is the units digit. Tens with tens. Now, should I subtract 6 from 8 or 6 from 7? Yes, of course, well done. 6 from 7, because we took away 1/10 from 8. 1/10 from 8/10, and now I have 7/10. 7 minus 6 equal 1, and the last digit, hundredth digit, 7 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have in my fingers, yes, now I have in my fingers 4. So the result is 417. Now students, it's your turn. Please think and answer letter B. You have 10 seconds. Time's up. I think you know the right answer, so check your answer with me. 0 minus 5. Can I take 5 from 0? No, because 0 is less than 5. So 0 think and decide to borrow from her neighbor. So 0 borrow from her neighbor, which is 8. So 8 becomes 7, and 0, when it take 10 once, it becomes 10. And 8 becomes 7. So now can I take 5 from 10? Of course, the answer is yes. 10 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, the answer is 5. Tens with tens. 7 minus 1. When I subtract 1 from 7, of course, the answer is yes, 6. The answer is 6. Last digit, 9 minus 2. When I subtract 2 from 9, it's your turn. Count with me. Yes. Okay. Yes, 7. The result is 7. So 980 minus 215 equals 765. Now the time for story problem. In a story problem, you have to read the problem very well to know which operation should you use. Let's read question number 3. There are 28 boys and girls in the first grade. The number of boys is 13. What is the number of girls? Here I have 28 boys and girls. So boys and girls means students. So here I have first grade, for example. First grades contain 28 students. Here I have 13 students, of course means boys and girls. So here I have 13 boys, and I want to know number of girls. To know the number of girls, of course you will subtract total number of students and number of boys. So the remainder will be girls. So the total number of girls equal 28 minus 13, because all the students is 28 and the boys are 13. So 28 minus 13 equals, start from ones, 8 minus 3 equals 5, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Now students, it's your turn. Please think and answer question number 4, and do please faster because you have only 15 seconds. Time's up. I think you know the answer. But first, we have to read the problem. Ahmed has 50 pounds. He buy new new shirt. The remainder with him £30. What is the price of the shirt? At the first, Ahmed has £50, and after buying the shirt, the remainder with him £30. So, to know the price of the shirt, we have to subtract 50 and 30. So, subtract 30 from 50. And here I want to say that remainder is a very important word in the subtraction operation. So if you see the word of remainder, please highlight it. So the price of the shirt equals 50 minus 30 equals £20. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next